Welcome to Happy Voyagers, travel with a smile. Retirement isn't about slowing down, it's about exploring the world on your own terms. Today, we're diving into independent travel for seniors and retirees, for couples or those traveling with loved ones. Freedom, flexibility, and unforgettable experiences await you. Let's explore the best destinations and why independent travel might just be your perfect match. Independent travel offers seniors the opportunity to explore destinations at their own pace. No rigid schedules, no large tour groups. Whether you're a couple seeking romantic getaways or a family wanting multi-generational bonding, this travel style provides full control over where you go, what you do, and how you experience it. 1. Portugal: safe, scenic, and senior-friendly. Explore charming Lisbon, coastal towns like Cascais or the Douro Valley wine region. Affordable, walkable, and warm hospitality make it ideal. 2. New Zealand: nature's playground. From Queenstown to Rotorua, enjoy stunning landscapes, Maori culture, and world-class hospitality. Self-drive vacations are easy here. Japan: peace, culture, and precision. Safe, clean, and incredibly respectful. Visit Kyoto's temples, enjoy onsen hot springs, and ride the Shinkansen. Top highlights include tea ceremonies, bullet trains, and cherry blossoms. Perfect for culturally curious travelers looking for serenity and uniqueness. Canada: majestic nature meets modern cities. From the Rockies to the Maritimes, enjoy a mix of cities like Vancouver and nature escapes like Banff. Top highlights: wildlife tours, scenic railways, and lakeside retreats. Perfect for seniors wanting outdoor beauty with creature comforts. Italy: romance, history, and food. Rome, Florence, Tuscany. Italy is a timeless destination for independent travelers. Stroll through piazzas, sip espresso, and indulge in la dolce vita. Top highlights: museums, vineyards, and cooking classes. Perfect for seniors craving history, cuisine, and timeless charm. Start small. If it's your first time, consider 7 to 10 day trips with flexible stops. Plan ahead. Book accommodations with senior-friendly features. Health and travel insurance. Always essential. Pack smart. Bring meds, Idaho, and comfort items. Stay connected. Use travel apps and keep emergency contacts handy. Independent travel offers freedom, flexibility, and the chance to create memories on your own terms. With the right preparation, seniors and retirees can enjoy a travel lifestyle that's as adventurous or as relaxed as they choose. So pack your bags and let your next chapter be written on the road. You've earned it. From Happy Voyagers, travel with a smile. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. It means a lot to us and will help us to create more. As always, many thanks for watching and for your support. We hope you travel the world with a smile and become happy voyagers. Until next time, peace to all.